Let us try to discuss about what are different charging levels. So we have three charging levels. First one is called level 1 charging, second one is called level 2 charging, third one is called level 3 charging. What is meant by level 1 charging? Level 1 charging is nothing but this is the slowest way of charging your electric vehicle. So by using level 1 charging, you can charge your electric vehicle at your house. Okay, that's why it is also called domestic charging also. This is also called domestic charging. So this level 1 charging uses an AC supply. We generally call these sort of charges as a Bharat AC 001 charges. So these are the standards developed by Bureau of Indian Standards for electric vehicle. So the type of charger we use at house is nothing but a Bharat AC 001 chargers. Okay, so in level 1 charging, the name it is called as a Bharat AC 001. We used to convert that AC supply to DC supply. This way of charging is also called off-board charging. What is the name of this charging? Off-board. What is meant by off-board? So in the electric vehicle board, this charger is not there. This is present outside of the electric vehicle. So you can see here the in a mobile phone also, how you are charging your mobile phone? Are you directly connecting AC supply or connecting the DC supply? DC supply. We are using an off-board rectifier or a charger, and you are converting the AC to DC, and you are directly giving which supply? DC supply. Then these sort of chargers are called which type of charging? Off-board charger. But in America or foreign countries, directly AC supply can be given. In the board itself, what you have? A rectifier that will convert AC to DC. Those sort of charging is called as a on-board charger. Are able to understand? You can see this Epson printer is there. No, this Epson projector is there. This is an on-board or off-board? On-board. Actually, it requires DC supply. But what kind of supply you are giving directly? AC. It's converting AC to DC internally and there in the board itself. That's why it is called on-board. So this level 1 charger will use which type of charger? On-board or off-board? Externally a charger is there. That's why this is called an off-board charging. And in this off-board charger, generally takes 8 hours to 12 hours. But still the technology is advanced. It has been reduced to 4 hours to 8 hours. Generally in olden days, 8 to 12. Still the technology is matured with lithium ion battery. The time has been decreased minimum 4 hours to 8 hours. The battery can be made full from 0% to 100%. So in order to make a battery from 0% to 100%, it will take minimum only 4 hours. If it's a low vehicle, low cost vehicle, how many hours it will take? 8 hours. So based on the charging time, the vehicle cost will vary. If you buy a cheap quality vehicle for 40 or 50,000, what is the time taken by that electric vehicle? 8 hours. If you buy like costly vehicles like Athar, TVS iQube, how much time they'll take? 3 hours or maximum 4 hours. Okay, the Athar will take maximum 3.5 hours. And this the latest vehicle, what we have this from Bajaj Chatak. So Bajaj Chatak just uses only 3.5 hours to make the battery full. So the latest technology available. Okay, and coming to the example of level 1 charger, Athar 450X uses a charger. What is the rating of this charger? 750 watts charger. And what kind of charger this is? On board or off board? This is an off board charger which is present from external. Okay, it is not there in the vehicle only, it is present at external. We will convert AC to DC, and by using this Bharat AC 001 charging port, we will charge our electric vehicle. For the time taken by this other 450X, maximum 4 hours to make the battery 100%. So this is all about level 1 charging. So from here itself you can understand this charging method is slowest method or fast method or ultra fast. Is the slowest way of charging. That's why this is called slow charging method, and this is also called domestic charging method. This level 1 charger uses only off-board charging. And what kind of charging port we use here is Bharat AC 001. Sir, why you are stressing this charging port? I already told that if it is an cheap quality vehicle, they don't use this Bharat AC 001 charger. They use different ports where this is not compatible with the charging stations available at the market. If we are using this Bharat AC001 charger, then you have to certify your electric vehicle from Bureau of Indian Standards, and you have to use only that port. If you have this port, the vehicle has to support slow charging as well as fast charging. So this is supported only now by other 450X. Only other 450X supports Bharat AC001, and the latest Ola vehicles, all Ola vehicles support this Bharat AC01. That's why when you have Ola vehicle or other 450X, they can happily travel on any highway. Any highway will have an which charger? Bharat AC001 charging port, you can charge your vehicle. But when you have TVS iQube, when you have this Chatak, and when you have this Okinawa, the little bit low cost vehicle, you cannot happily comfortably travel on an highway. Why? Because they are not coming with which port? Bharat AC001 port. Therefore, you cannot take risk. You should carry your own charger of your own, and you have to go to a domestic application and you have to charge it, which is like a meaningless thing. So that's why when you buy an electric vehicle, you should select it very intelligently. It should have Bharat AC001 port, and it should support what? Fast charging also. Okay. Next way of charging is called level 2 charging. So this charging we call it as a moderate charging. Okay, this charging we call it as moderate. Sir, what is this moderate charger? So this level 1 charger will be provided by the manufacturer only. When you buy your electric vehicle, they only will provide this level 1 charger free of, I mean, which includes the cost of the vehicle. But level 2 charger is nothing but an not provided by the manufacturer. It comes with extra cost. This comes with extra cost, and this is not the slowest charging, this is an moderate charging. Okay, so here coming to the charging time. So in level 2 charger, the time taken by level 1 by 2 is the time taken by the level 2 charging. For example, you take this level 1 charging, what is the time taken by an level 1 charging? 4 hours. Okay, or you take the maximum time. How is the maximum time taken by level 1 charging? 8 hours. 8 hours divided by 2, how many hours? 4 hours. In 4 hours only, we can make your electric vehicle full by using which type of charging? Level 2 charging. Or you take the minimum. Minimum is how many? 4 hours by 2. Just in 2 hours, we can make electric vehicle full. That's why these chargers are separately sold by the manufacturer, and they are not supplied with the vehicle cost. And this you cannot install of your own, and you cannot directly plug in. You require to install this charger by the manufacturer. The manufacturers like Ola or Athar or the Tata, those who manufacture that two-wheeler or four-wheeler. And this sort of charging can be used at workplaces. What is workplace means? This your college is a workplace. Okay, schools and cinema halls, shopping malls, those comes under level 2 charging. They don't use an commercial charging. This is called commercial charger. So these are technically like commercial charger. They are meant only for sale. But these charger, for example, in your college we provide free charging also, which comes under educational institute. That's why this provided for free cost. Okay, so this comes under, we can, this should be installed by the manufacturer, and this can be used at your workplace also. Coming to an example, this Tata Nexon EV four-wheeler, they are offering a 7.2 kilowatt charger, and that should be installed by the manufacturer only. Then we can reduce the charging time to half of the charging time as compared to here. But here they will provide only some 3.3 kilowatt charger. When you buy this Tata Nexon EV four-wheeler, default they will give you 3.3 kilowatt, or the time taken by them 8 hours, where we don't have the time, or for a minimum 4 hours. Okay, so but when you buy this professional charger, it can charge, what is the rating of this charger? 7.2 kilowatts. In just in 4 hours we can make electric vehicle full. So this is called level 2 charging. Coming to the next level of charger, which is called level 3 charging. So this is called commercial charger. Commercial means what? Only for like sale. Okay, so this they charge it for around 1 kilowatt of energy for 12 rupees. What is the cost? 12 rupees. But if you charge at your house, it will not be more than 3 rupees or maximum 5 rupees. If you charge at a commercial station for 1 kilowatt, they will take you how many rupees? 12 rupees. So it may vary from 12 to 18 depending upon the companies. Okay, so there are some exclusive charging stations for Atar. You can freely charge. There are exclusive charging stations for Ola. There are exclusive free charging stations for Tata Nexon. Sir, why they are providing freely? Just to encourage their company. Okay, so there are number of free charging stations directly provided by the manufacturer, and there is an directly a Tata EV chargers are directly available in the outlets also. We have some like how we fill your petrol and diesel. There are exclusively free charging stations from Tata also. So coming to the third charger, this is called as commercial chargers. So commercial chargers means, what is the meaning of commercial charger? Directly only for sale, and definitely they use off-board charger as well as on-board charger. So you can see here, so I will show you at the demo type. So you will have an, so like this one circle will be there and one more circle will be there. This consists of positive, negative, this consists of phase and neutral. So the top charger is called AC001 charger, the bottom charger is called Bharat AC001 charger. So when you have this CCS2 charger, combined charging system charger, okay, so when you connect it, so this will be directly connected to the onboard. Okay, so this is directly connected to the onboard and this directly connected to the off board. Okay, so when you have this charger, at a time you can give the AC supply as well as DC supply. So when you connect to the AC supply, you have an onboard charger that will charge your electric vehicle, but in this charger only it comes with off board charger, so that will convert AC to DC and it will directly charge your battery. So by using this CCS2 charger, so this Tata Nexon EV supports fast charging, not normal charging. It has 3.3 domestic charging, it has a commercial 7.2 kilowatt charger, it has 30 kilowatt charger. Just understand the rating of this charger, 30 kilowatt charger. So means, what is the meaning is, it can consume 30 kilowatts per hour. How many units it can consume? 30 kilowatts, and this can make this battery full only in just 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, how many units it is going to consume? 30 units. You understand the type of technology they are going to offer. So they exclusively provide some free charging stations also to encourage those customers of Tata Nexon. And this way of charging is called DC fast charger. Okay, and next one, here 80% of the battery is filled just only in 30 minutes. Only in 30 minutes, I mean only 80% of the battery will be filled only in 30 minutes. Okay, and next one, if you are planning an journey by using an EV four-wheeler, you better plan your journey only when level 3 charging stations are available. For example, this Tata Nexon, at a time if you charge, how many kilometers it can travel? 300 kilometers it can travel. Okay, so in 30 minutes it can charge how many units? It can make a battery full. Then it is going to consume how many units? 30 units. By using this 30 kilowatt hour battery, we can run how many kilometers? 300 kilometers per single charge. That's why this electric vehicle is popular electric vehicle powered by Gyptron. Okay, it's very latest vehicle. It can at a time if you charge, it can travel how many kilometers? 300. After 300 kilometers on the highway, you have to check where there is level 3 charger. If level 3 not charger is not there, defaultly what charger is there in your hand? Level 1 charger is there in your hand. So you can go to any petrol bunk or anywhere and you can use slow charger. And how much time it will take? 8 hours. So better you try to make four-wheeler journey only when make an EV journey in an availability of which type of charging stations? Level 3. So maximum no human being cannot travel more than 300 kilometers per day. Automatically your body gets strained off. If you're an extraordinary person, per day if you want to travel more than 300 kilometers, then you have to keep an charge your electric vehicle in CCS2 charger. Okay, so that's why the manufacturer stopped that speed with only with 300 kilometers in Indian roads. So if you travel per day in 24 hours, if you travel 300 kilometers, 100% your body will get strained off. So that's why they are restricting it to 300. Nowadays, the latest Tata Nexon EV Max is also coming with a minimum 400 kilometers. Once it is completed, definitely you have to use which type of charging? Fast charging. I mean, it's nothing but what is the name of this charger? DC fast charging. This is commercially available, okay, CCS2 charger. And it's already clear that what is meant by state of charge? State of charge is nothing but it is the amount of charging available in a battery displayed by its UI screen or user interface screen, and the sum of state of charge and depth of discharge should be equal to 100%. This is all about the specifications or definitions of an electric vehicle. So all these definitions are same for electric vehicle, battery electric vehicle, as well as hybrid electric vehicle. Let's try to have some summary. So what are the basic definitions we discussed today? First one is current. How to discuss current? Voltage by resistance. How to discuss a battery? Battery is nothing but an energy storage which converts chemical to electrical, electrical to chemical based upon its charging and discharging cycle. What is meant by the battery technology used in EV? The basic technology is lithium ion. Why lithium ion is used? It has high energy density and high power density, and it supports. If it supports fast charger only, the customers will buy. That's why the manufacturer are preferring lithium ion battery. Nowadays we get 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers which cannot catch the fire. So if you directly put petrol on the battery also, it will not catch the fire. There's a lot of the latest batteries are also available in EV market now. Next one, coming to the charger. How many types of charging levels are there? Should respond. How many types of charging are there? Level 1 charger, level 2 charger, level 3 charger. What is the name of level 1 charger? Slow charging. Since it is slow, it is used at where? Domestic. What kind of charging method they use? Off-board charger. And if we take an example of Tata Nexon EV, what is the level 1 charger they provide? 3.3 kilowatt. Next one, what is level 2 charger? Here they use a charger that should be installed only by an manufacturer or a professional. Okay, so this Tata Nexon uses which type of charger? 7.2 kilowatt charger. What is the importance of level 2 charger? It reduces the charging time to half of the charging time provided by level 1 charger. Okay, for example, here it is taking 8 hours. When you use level 2 charger, the time is reduced to how much time? Half. 8 by 2, 4 hours. Next one, what is the next type of charging an electric vehicle? CCS2. What is CCS2? Combined charger. What is meant by combined? AC is combined as well as DC is combined. That's why it's called combined charging system. Both are joined. That's why it is called system. So the AC uses which type of charger? Onboard charger. So there is in Tata Nexon EV, you have onboard one charger is there, off-board one charger is there. So if you are they differently provide, so this 3.3 kilowatt is there? No, that is nothing but they provide the charger which is in which shape? Circular shape. There is only, it will charge only which type of charging? Onboard charger. So you can directly give AC supply, it will convert that AC into DC again. Okay, so when you come to this DC fast charger, you can charge your electric vehicle using onboard. Onboard means in the vehicle only we have charger. Next one is we have an rectifier at the outside. We will convert that AC to DC and we will try to give this AC and DC to the charging terminals. It will directly charge your electric vehicle. Okay. So what is the rating of an CCS2 charger? 350 kilowatt. Just understand this rating. 360 kilowatt. I mean, the charger rating is 360 kilowatt. Just in 30 minutes, how many units it can consume? 360 units. See the range the Indian government and the electric vehicle has already developed. In 30 minutes, how many units you can consume? 360 kilowatts hour or 360 units it can consume, and it can make your battery 100% full. So that's why these charging stations are very costly, and this will be available only for every 40 or 50 or minimum 50 to 60 kilometers in highways. So for every 10 kilometers it's not available. For every 10 kilometers, what is available? This type of charging may available. This can be installed by our college, this can be installed by a tea shop, or this can be installed by an shopping mall, this can be installed nearby your institute, or this can be installed at near your hostel or anywhere. It's very low way of charging. These are the basic definitions, or these definitions are all nothing but specifications. So when you buy an electric vehicle, what you have to identify? Either it comes under level 1 charger or level 2 charger or level 3. All two wheelers come with level 1 as well as level 2. When you come to four wheeler, then it comes under level 3. That's why Tata Nexon supports level 1 charger, level 2 charger and level 3 charger. Three levels of charger it supports. But what you need to have in Tata is you need to have only money. If you buy that electric vehicle for 20 lakhs, they provide level 1 charger, they provide level 2 charger, freely they provide level 3 charging also. Okay. So when you buy an two-wheeler, what you have to identify? Either it supports Bharat AC 001 charging port or not. If it supports this port only, you can charge your electric vehicle at any charging outlets. If you are buying some electric vehicle which is having some what is that, a type C or some two terminals will be there like this, a lock with positive and negative. These sort of ports may not be available in any charging station. Then how can you charge your electric vehicle? Since they are unable to provide that this port, they offer the electric vehicle for low cost. Like these vehicles like Bajaj, Chatak and TVS iQube, and we have this Okinawa, and there are a lot of models. Only some few models provide what? Up to now I have been reviewed a lot of vehicles, around 10 to 20 vehicles. I have been observed the vehicles which provide Bharat AC001 is only other brand, all other brands and all models of Ola. So basically they have one formula. If they buy our electric vehicle, they should be able to charge their electric vehicle at any outlet. The customer should not struggle. That's why these are the topmost leading brands. Some problems are there in Ola, but some many issues are not there in other. That's why these two brands are leading the complete EV industry. That's why they follow these standards. Okay, so this is all about the definition. The remaining will continue in the next session. Thank you.